Alright,
So, last time, we...
in the last episode.
Hi, Desi. Last time, we had hiccups, and drinking
She had
upside
hiccups, I
down
didn't.
actually works.
I would never get hiccups.
We are good. I was being nice to you.
Okay. Your necklace is in it. Alright. Now, we're gonna see if it works. We're gonna have to go for round 2. Is it okay?
Let me cook. I think so. So, vlog, it was successful.
And that's
Thank
all
you,
for this
and
video.
come back.
I'll come back for part 3 of Hiccup Town. Love you, Finn Nation.
Yeah, he told me I couldn't frolic. Frolic?
I'm from straight garbage. Vogue. I thought it'd be Vogue. Like I finish it, but I don't think I Vogue. Yippee.
I really hope you guys saw that. There was one and he like walked past right there and he just like stopped and stared.